Did you know that space is completely silent? That's right. In the vast, endless universe, where stars are born and galaxies collide, you'd hear nothing. Absolute silence. But why is that? To understand, we need to look at how sound actually works. Sound is a mechanical wave, which means it needs a medium to travel through, like air, water, or solid objects. On Earth, we hear things because sound travels through the air around us, vibrating particles and reaching our ears. But in outer space, there's virtually no air, no atmosphere, and almost no particles. It's a vacuum, and in a vacuum, there's nothing to carry those vibrations. So, even if a massive explosion happened right next to you in space, you wouldn't hear a thing. There'd be no boom, no rumble. Just silence. This is where science fiction often bends reality. In movies, space battles are full of dramatic sounds, roaring engines, booming explosions, laser blasts, and crashing debris. But in real space, those scenes would be completely silent. You'd still see all the action. The flash of an explosion, the burst of energy from a plasma beam, or a spaceship flying past. But you wouldn't hear any of it. If you were floating out there during a collision, you might feel the shock through your suit, but your ears would get nothing. So, how do astronauts communicate with each other in this soundless environment? The answer is radio. Astronauts wear helmets with built-in microphones, and they use radio transmitters to send their voices as electromagnetic waves. Unlike sound, electromagnetic waves can travel through the vacuum of space. When another astronaut receives the radio signal, their equipment converts it back into sound they can hear. So they're not actually hearing each other through space. They're hearing each other through technology. Even though we can't hear space in the traditional sense, scientists have found creative ways to turn cosmic phenomena into sound. NASA uses a process called sonification, which converts data from space, such as electromagnetic waves, X-rays, or fluctuations in plasma, into audible tones. These sounds don't represent real noise from space, but they give us an eerie and beautiful way to experience the universe with our ears. Some of these audio tracks are haunting, filled with deep rumbles, whistles, and hums that capture the mysterious nature of the cosmos. So the next time you stare up at the night sky, think about this. No matter how loud the universe may look, it's a place of pure, perfect silence. Subscribe to Interesting Facts for more.